Okay, we're gonna look at how to go into how to transition into a worship song out of a video. And what we know before we end this video, we've already set up the camera shots that we need during this video. So this is Easter, and this video is right before the first worship song. During this video, we've already directed camera 1 and 2 to be on Tanner and Sandra. We've already told our floor camera, camera 4, to be on Becca on acoustic, and camera 5 to be on Tony on electric guitar. All that is set up during this video. And listening to the song from recordings, I know it's going to be a little bit of acoustic and a little bit electric guitar, and then Sandra's going to start singing, and it's going to be really short. So we're going to do a quick, we're going to open up on the acoustic guitar, and then we're going to cut to the electric guitar and Tony, and then it's going to be on Sandra so we can hear her start singing. All right, let's take a look.
And the life, anyone who believes in me will live, even if they die.
Oh, shame is a prison.
All right, so when you have the camera people available to you, you have to set them up before the song even starts. These people are set up, our camera people are set up during this video. And on the headset, we told camera 1 where they needed to be on Tanner, and camera 2 needed to be on Sandra, camera 4 needed to be on acoustic guitar, and camera 5 needed to be on electric guitar. And this shot right here, was already set up to be our opening shot. And on the headset, I told them, camera 4, we're gonna cut to you, or you're gonna be live as soon as this video ends. When the video ends, this was the very first shot. And we told them we're gonna have you move in just a little bit as we cut to you. And we told camera 5, we want you to back out away. We want you to back out away from Tony.
Oh, shame is a prison.
I want you to back away from Tony to Sandra as she starts to sing. So just as she starts to sing, we can see her. And it kind of paints a picture. And then camera 1 and camera 2, which are our primary stationary cameras, are on Sandra and Tanner as they lead the song and the next song. And that's how you go out of a video, or how do you transition out of a video into the opening of the song. You're going to listen to what instruments are playing before the lead singer actually starts singing. All right, we're going to look at a few more things in the next few videos. Thanks.